Take a leap of faith. Put yourself in a very precarious financial situation. Leave your job without thinking about it first. Nope, that's not how you should do it. In this video, I'll show you when to quit your day job for your own online coaching business. When it's the right time for you. And, okay, no, I won't tell you yet. Keep watching to know exactly how. Oh, and hit the subscribe button to be notified each time I upload a new video so you make sure never to miss anything that has to do with building, growing your online coaching business. First thing first, recognize that you have value. A lot of value. You might have spent sleepless nights in order to get your degree. Finally, you might have won the dream job and have been selected among so many great candidates. You might have also gone through many hurdles in your life and overcame them very successfully. And all these make you unique. All these require qualities. And all these can be monetized through your own coaching business, through your own consulting business, through something that you build from scratch and that brings extra spark into your life. But one question remains though. Do you have to quit your job? My honest answer? No. See, it all depends on what you aspire to do with your life. It all depends on your why behind all this. If your job allows you to fulfill your purpose and you're happy to go to it each and every single day, keep it. And if you feel like you also want to have your own coaching clients on the side, so be it.
That's it.
On the other end, if you feel like your job is not bringing you joy, if you drag yourself out of bed each and every single morning just thinking about going, and if people out there don't recognize your true value, it's different. If you feel like you aim for more and you truly want to monetize what you know in order to have clients of your own and eventually transition out of that job so you can be a full-time online coach, it's also possible.
Awesome.
But still keep your job and have your coaching business on the side, because when you do that, you at least have a great idea of what it is to be an online coach. If you truly want to do that for the rest few years or for the rest of your life, and also it prepares you better into making that transition successfully. Go until your business replaces your job income and beyond. Then you'll be ready to quit.
Oh my God.
But how can you monetize what you know? Well, here are the steps. First step, make a list of all the qualifications that you have, all the credentials that you have, all the challenges that you overcame successfully. 2, ask yourself and some trusted sources like friends, family members, or trusted colleagues, why do they always come to you for advice? 3, evaluate if there's a market for your zone of genius or for the specific problem that you want to solve with your zone of genius. 4, see which type of people you want to serve and be extremely specific on that type of person that you want to have as a dream client. 5, have a specific framework to take your clients from point A to point B. And 6, reach out to people you may be able to help from your own connections and also on social media. The best way to do so? Start conversations and listen. Listen to how your potential clients express themselves. What are their main concerns? What are their deepest pains? What problem they're looking to solve in their lives right now? What's the gap they're looking to fill? And when you are sure that you can help, let them know. It's your duty to do that. Because when you don't, well, you're very selfish because you're preventing people from becoming a better version of themselves or finally have their problem solved with your help. Be concise and express how your framework can help them get from point A to point B. And make an offer. Get finally paid for your expertise. Taste what it feels like to help others with your skills. See if doing this is really something you would want to do for the rest of your life or for the next few years. And if you're ready for it, if that's what you want, leave your job or don't. Either way, how you serve others, how you fulfill your purpose, and how you use your gifts to change other people's lives will actually change yours in the most meaningful way. Now is the time for you to get clients. So click on this video to know how.